Do you want to know how to make an easy and simple pan-seared chicken thigh recipe that can go well with salads and burrito wraps? If so, let's get started. For this recipe, I'll be using roughly 4.5 pounds of chicken thighs. I've already deboned it and removed the skin. Let's season our chicken. You will need 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. You will need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of black pepper, and marinate the chicken. Then add in 3 teaspoons of olive oil. Please subscribe to my channel for the latest updates and videos. And combine well. Then we'll let this marinate in the fridge for 20 minutes. After removing the chicken from the fridge, we'll just let it rest for another 10 before we start frying them. On high heat, adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'll be using an 8-inch pan for this recipe. Add in your chicken once the pan is hot. And sear each side for 1 to 2 minutes. We'll reduce the heat to medium. Place a lid over the chicken and let it simmer for 5 minutes on each side. Wow, look how nice and juicy they look after 10 minutes of simmering. We'll just remove them from the pan and get ready to slice them up. Look how juicy they look. How nicely done this is. Also, check out my burrito wrap recipe. I'll leave it in the link below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now. See you next time.